Hello guys, I will be working on Samsung A70, which is dead. I have been told it's not charging, not turning on. Let's check with amp meter what we got on the amp meter. Show you here. See, not drawing any amps as we can see here. Battery is connected, cables are connected. Okay, so the next thing I would like to check DC power supply, if we manage to turn it on. Why we check on amp meter and DC power supply is that it's usually give us a good indication what could be wrong. Okay, that's the right one. And where is the power button? Oh, I can turn it on from here. So, oh, it's drawing straight away 2 amps. So as soon as I connect, I'm sorry, my camera on the DC power supply is not working, but as soon as I connect this, it's straight away drawing 2 amps, which is, what does that mean? That means there is a short on the board, and that is input short. So I will remove the board. First of all, what we will be doing is check the board under the microscope. Anything which we can see is burned or which draw our attention, and we will take it from there. Most probably we have to remove these metal shields, which I hate removing. Okay, nothing here, can't see anything. Okay, I will remove these metal plates. Okay, so let's remove this, all of this, and let's check under the microscope. Looks clean so far. This thing here, see, it looks like a cap, but it's black from here. Let's check. schematic diagram. What is this component? Is it on side B? Yep, this is the same orientation. Which one is it? This one? No, not this one. It is just next to that small IC, which is this one here. VPH power, and it's going everywhere. Okay, let's check resistance to ground. Yep, and the other end, very low resistance. And this is the only, oh, okay, anyway, I will bring it down here. This is the one I'm talking about. So this is the only thing which got my attention, and I'm gonna remove it. So I'm just removing it that much so that I can check if we have got short or no short. So this is ground side, I'm quite sure, and no short. What other component are connected to this? Let me check one more time. Okay. There is one that both of these big caps, let's check them. Both of these big caps, yeah, these ones, let's check. Let's go closer now. Is it still? Okay, the short is still there. Am I checking on the right ones? But here, no short. See? Ah, maybe they are fuses. Okay, let's check another component. So that was this here. Okay, so yeah, this is how your brain sometimes dodge you, because it's red and I thought that's, you know, ground. Though these are fuses. So anyway, let's check this one, this big one here. So that big one is which one? Let me go back here again, and two small component. Yeah, that's the one here. That's the one. Okay. This one I'm talking about. This one. It's on the same line. So no short. Okay, so next thing I will be doing is here, and okay. And the cable here. Am I putting it right way? Yeah. Alright. Let's turn it on. Okay. It's turned on fine. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Yeah. So it's on here now, which is all good. Now the phone is turned on fine, but let's check the charging, because from my experience charging is very common fault. See, it's still not charging. Do you see? Do you see? It's still not charging. Okay, so even though the phone is on now, as you can see, it's on. Okay, so the next thing I would like to check is if the charging board is okay. If the charging board. Okay, so the next thing I would like to check simply if we're getting 4.5 volt on the battery terminals. Can you see? Okay. 0.6. See? So even though it's turned on now, but it's not charging, and we are not getting 4.5 volt here. Okay, it's just 0.2. So the next thing is check the charging board. Charging board is okay. I will bring you down to the microscope now. Okay, first of all, let's check if this subboard, charging subboard, is working. Oh, I will put it here. Can you see now? Yeah, okay. It's not working. Okay. Yep, it's working fine. As you can see, we have got 5 volt here. Okay, now the next thing I would like to check if this cable is okay. One more thing here, put it here. So we checked here. So this is 5 volt line, which is just this one here. See, we get 5 volt. Oh, come on, man. Show the 5 volt thing. Now you can see, now you can see, now you can see. Okay. So we got 5 volt here. Board is okay. Now let's put here this cable, move it around and check what we have here. Come on. Come on. Nothing here. Okay, let's try another cable. So this is another cable. And see, this cable is working fine. We have got 5 volt. Now we will check the phone with this cable on. Let's see if it charges. And it's not charging. See, here again it's not charging. Okay, let's check what we have on the battery. Now, okay, now the next thing is so this is where we are getting 5 volt, and the next thing is D6001. Let's see if we have got 5 volt here. Let's come microscope here. Okay, okay, we can't check. Let's go underneath. We can't check. Let's go here. Then where should I show you? Here. Okay, so the next thing I would like to check on this cap here, which is A6045, if we have got 5 volt here. This one here is your charging IC, which is U6002, that regulate 5 volt, and then it goes to the power IC. But let me check if we have got now we are getting 5 volt here or not. So come back here. Oh, this is where we had short, remember? That cap there. But anyway, let me check now if we have got 5 volt there. No. Next thing I would like to check if we have got connectivity from here. Yep. So line is intact. But still we are not. It could be bypass this one, should be. And let me check one more thing. We do not have any more short, right? No, we don't. Now, two things we can do. We can jump wire from here to here so that we can get the 5 volt. I think what I should be doing is, oh sorry, can you see? Let's bring you here. What I'm gonna do is take 5 volt directly from here and then give it to charging IC. Okay, so let me do it my way. This is 5-volt line, so we will scratch this and we will run a jump wire so that we can give charging IC required 5-volt. Okay, now let me check if we have got 5-volt there. Yeah, we got 5-volt. Now the next thing is put it here, here, okay. I will get the cable. That's enough. Okay, you wanna look under the microscope or is it okay for you? Alright, and then this is where we will be sticking it. Just here. Okay. Is it long enough? Yes, it is long enough. Let me tint this first. And this method will only work if your charging IC is working. If charging IC is not working, then you have to bypass the charging IC. If we did not get it charging, then I will show you. Oh, come on, Stickman. Stickman is a story. Oh, come on. I have to get my finer tweezer. That looks better. Come on, come on. Okay. Now the first thing is we will do UV glue. We will do later. It's just that I would like to check it if it's working or not. Just making sure the cable is not touching anywhere. Okay, that's all done. Okay, let's try charging it now. I'm just a bit afraid if cable is all good, not touching anywhere. Let me check. Yep. Do you see? Charging fine. Well done. 20%. And look at the ammeter. It's all good. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Take care. Bye.